So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll cover this amazing lab. So simply click on start lab and open the console incognito window. Now here it is getting signed in automatically, and let's move ahead. First of all, click on I understand. After that, just scroll down, click on I agree and continue. Now from the Vertex AI you can see the page. Come to the task number, you can just see these tasks we have to do. So for that, come to task number 1 and just from the Vertex AI page, click on this dashboard and enable all the recommended APIs. Okay, just scroll down and open the workbench. Here we have to create a notebook in the instance page. So let me show you how you have to do. Make sure instance is selected, then click on create new and update the lab name and region as per the lab instructions. So just follow one by one. Update the region and zone as per the lab instruction and just create. This creation will take 3 to 4 minutes, so you need to wait for it to get completed. After that we'll be opening the Jupyter Notebook lab. So just wait. Here simply open the Jupyter lab and wait for it to get open, and then simply you have to open the terminal. Now come back again and paste this one by one and hit enter. Okay, if you are unable to see the terminal, just enable these settings, hit enter. Now this is the important part. Go to the Chrome and just come to the incognito, copy it carefully, come over here and just search for the settings. Okay, search for the settings. From here just paste it, hit enter and just scroll down. Here you'll see third party cookies. Here you can clearly see I'm repeating the step. You have to paste it, scroll down, come to the third party cookies, and here we have to add the site. Click on add. Now copy this domain from the Jupyter Notebook, open a notepad, paste over here and remove this http:// and one more important thing, you have to just check it should be .com, not lab. So just remove it, copy entire content and then just come over here to the incognito, paste it, select it and just add it. Now we are done with this step. Now just come back again and simply open this file, check the score for task number 1 and now here select Python 3 as kernel. Now wait for the kernel to get connected, it will take some time. Meanwhile, do like the video and subscribe the channel. Now once you see the kernel is idle, you can just click on this shell and just keep on hitting play button. Okay, just keep on hitting play button till the end. Just keep hitting till the end. Now this command will take at least 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, you need to wait for it to get completed. And if you want to run directly, you can just click on run and selected shells all below. And you can just use the play button also. So now wait for this shell to get completed. You see this shell as empty, you have to come to the lab instruction and simply check the score. Okay, just check the score and you can simply end the lab.